They do, Antoinette and Katie, and if you think about it, Fenway is certainly not the first place to do this. In fact, it's the last of the major parks and arenas and stadiums in this area. But having said that, state law clearly says that retailers can't discriminate against people who want to pay with cash. Now, the question is, the strength of the law depended on how Massachusetts Attorney General Maura Healey wants to enforce this. So here's the state law. It's brief and says retailers must accept legal tender. In other words, cash. The Red Sox on Wednesday showed off their self-scanners. We've seen them around the ballpark. Announced that anyone who wanted to use cash would first have to convert that money to a prepaid MasterCard debit card. There will be 3 so-called reverse ATMs inside Fenway where cash customers can make the changeover. There are no fees. Fenway not alone in this. The Garden makes cash customers convert money to a MasterCard. Gillette requires conversion to a Visa. But some consumer advocates are wondering if this runs afoul of state law.
You have these concession stands, you have restaurants and bars. I think those clearly are retail establishments, and under the law, they can't make you pay with a credit card or a plastic. They have to accept cash as legal tender.
Attorney General Maura Healey has tweeted about this issue before, including at the start of the pandemic, when some businesses didn't want cash for safety reasons. She said it's illegal to refuse cash in Massachusetts. Businesses should take thoughtful measures to keep their employees and consumers safe, but let's keep our economy open to everyone. Now, we asked her office for comment yesterday. The AG's office said they would not say if they believe these cash-to-card conversion requirements are in the bounds of state law, but a spokesperson told us they'll be reaching out to make sure it is, quote, accessible and fair.